Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Translate. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other device and you want to use Google to translate. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and you can get your app Google Translate, or you can also use your browser. Open your browser here, simply search for Google Translate and you can use Google Translate online. So here I'm going to translate online here. So very first in this section you just have to enter your text, and after on under the second section you'll get the translation. So let's say I'm going to write anything here. Once you have added or written, you just have to select the second language in which language you want to translate. So just select that. So let's say I'm going to select this one from here. Once you have selected, you will get the translation. You can directly copy that from here, or you can also use this speaker option to hear the punctuation of this translation. So in this way, you can easily use Google Translate on your iPhone, Android, or any of your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.